Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do solving word problems in mathematics, some introduction. In order to solve mathematical word problems, we often need to use equations. In this video, you will learn how to set up a simple equation to solve different kinds of word problem. That means if any word problem is given, you have to convert with algebraic equations with some variables. For example, we will cut up a length of board or rope into shorter and longer pieces, and given known total length and other facts, we will calculate the length of the pieces cut from it. Then we will learn the mathematical symbols for inequalities, that is situations where sometimes is greater than or smaller than something else, and also how to solve problems in which we are told that something is at most so big or that something cost at least much. Now, finally, we will tackle word problems involving all kinds of numbers, positive and negative integers, including zero, odd and even integers, and consecutive integers. Like that, we have to first understand what is the problems given. Then we have to analyze simply and solve by using framing the equation easily. Many people are afraid of word problems. Why is that? Maybe it's because they remember that they had previous trouble with word problems. But really, word problems are easy to solve if you understand the concept. And we have to use some step by steps procedure to solve this. Now, we'll do some example problem to understand this concept. You can understand easily. Now, look at this first. Solving word problem in mathematics involves carefully reading and understanding the problems. Identify the key information, translating the words into mathematical expression, setting up an equation, solving the equation, and finally checking your answer within the context of the problems to ensure it makes sense. These are some steps. Now we'll understand by using some examples and solve it. Look at here. I'll show the step by step procedure to solve such equations, such a problem. Look at here. Cut a 12-meter long rope into two pieces such that one piece is 3 meters longer than the other. Here, first we have to set up an equation. For that, first let first piece let the length of first piece equal x meter. That means x is a variable. Unknown things we can solve by using equation. Then second length, that is length of second piece. The second piece is 3 meters longer than the first. That means x is the first piece plus 3 meters. This is a two pieces length. Now, on what it said here, then total length, that is 12 meter. Therefore, total length equal 12 meter. That means first piece plus second piece, which equal to 12 meter. You know the simplification of this simple equation. Variable, add the variable, x plus x is 2x plus 3 equal 12. Then this both sides we have to subtract 3. What happened? Look at here. That is 2x plus 3, here 12. Both sides subtracting the same number. Then plus 3 minus 3 cut. This 2x equal 12 minus 3 is 9. Then divide both sides. by 2 to get x, which is equal x, this 2 cut, x equal 4.5, x equal to 4.5 meter. The first piece length is 4.5 meter. The second is the first piece, then second piece length is, says how much more, that is 3 more, means x plus 3, that is 4.5 plus 3 equal 7.5 meter. Now we can check this answer. First piece is 4.5, second piece is 7.5, total is 12 meter. So checked. Means, look at here, that we have to cut a piece for 4.5 meter and 7.5 meter, then both together is 12 meter. It's simple. I explained little detail, but you can do, after understanding, we can do shortly. Second question, look at here. Cut a 64-foot long thread into 5 pieces such that the second, third, fourth and fifth pieces is 2 foot more than the previous pieces respectively. That means, look at here, the total length of the thread is 64 foot long. Then 5 pieces you have to cut. Let first piece is x, second piece is x plus, such that the second, third and fourth, fifth piece is 2 feet long. That is 2. Then third piece is another 2 more. Then fourth piece is another 2 more. And fifth here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another piece is x plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Now simplifying, here x plus x, 2, 3, 4, 5x. How many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Which is equal, total length is 64. Look at here first. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 12, 14, 16, 20. Look at here. This is which is equal, totally 64 foot long. (64 meter long). Then how to solve this? Same procedure. 5x plus 20 equals 64. Both side 20 cut. That means subtract 20, which gives 5x equal 64 minus 20 is 44. Then x equal 44 divided by 5. How much? First is 8. 5s are 40. 8.8. So each first piece is 8.8. Now check 8.8. Then second piece is 2 more, 10.8, and another 2 more, 12.8, another 4, 14.8, and 16.8. So we have to add them, this decimal. So 8 plus 10 is 18, 18 plus 12 is 30, 30 plus 14 is 44, 44, and 44 plus 16 is 60, and points are then point 0.8, point 0.8. How many point 0.8? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years are 40. So 40.8 into 5 is another 4. That is 0.8, 5 time is 4. So it is 64. That means we got it. The first piece length is 8.8, second piece is 10.8, third piece is 12.8, fourth is this, fifth is this. So this some more complication problems also can be solved by using algebra simply. If you understand the concept, it is easier to you, because in daily life we meet a lot of such problems, but it looks hard, but if analyzed carefully and simply, we can solve by using basic algebras. Now, next question. Mark the point on a line such that 12 centimeter long, such that the second part is 40% more than the first part. That means, suppose we are having a line. Suppose this line length is 12 meter, 12 centimeter. We have to mark some point here such that second part is 40% more than the first part. So suppose we consider this point is here. Now we have to find this point where from the starting. Let it be this point A and B, this point M. Now let it be the smaller part B, X. Then this must be 40% more than X. That means X plus 40% of that X, total adding. Now this, look at here, now we are adding X plus here one more X, 40% of X. How to do? Look at here, X into 40 by 100. This is a 40% of X. Now which is together equal 12. So X plus X is X plus X here, that is into 4 by 10 equal to 2 by 5, that is 0.4. 0.4 X equal to 12, which means here totally 2.4x, because 1x, 1x, 1.4x, 2.4x equal 12. How to solve this? Divide by 2.4. This side is 2.4. This cut. But here the decimal place is in denominator. Multiply by 10 both sides. 120 by 24. 120 divided by 24 is 5. So we got X values 5. Therefore, we have to cut from A to this point M is 5 centimeter, and the second is 12 minus 5 is 7. So X is first part, X equal to 5, and another second part is X plus 40% is, that is X we got it. Therefore, the values are 5 and 7. So two parts. Two parts are 5 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Like that, a lot of problems we can solve if you make you interest. If you practice more, please listen my continuous videos regarding this concept. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.